I'd like to welcome everyone to springtime in suburbia. This is my best buddy Bill. When Bill gets fueled up, we'll start in on the shock project. This is a 2006 Safari, and while most of the exterior body looks pretty good, a few places where it shows its age, and one of them is down here on the frame in the wheel wells, where the original paint or powder coat has started to fail. So while we're doing this shock replacement today, we're also gonna clean these up and put a quick coat of paint on them.
Another foot. And stop. Perfect. Perfect, perfect.
Okay, that's a little bit of brake drag that we hear, but the free spinning means that bearing's probably okay.
Alcohol and maybe like a wire brush or something.
Are you done with the wire?
For this round, let's take it to the other side. Let Bill have it.
Okay. Alright, that's good news. If that one's loose, we'll grab a wrench to do the one on the back side since we can't put the breaker bar on it. Comparing these two shocks, there's almost no resistance in this one. On this one, I can move it, but it's harder.
I'm sorry. So Andrew, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe this with denatured alcohol and get any grease and stuff to about here, because I know that you're taking this one off and I can wipe the rest of the way.
Okay.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to get the back side of this right now.
Okay. We'll just want to brush a little more of that dirt around towards that back tire because the spray will dislodge it when we start that phase.
Well, I think we should do another air spray it with compressed air first.
Yep, I agree.
So I'll use the denatured alcohol. If you could bring me the air, that'd be really helpful.
At the age of this trailer, there's basically no paint left on our Dexter axles. Because we've already got the trailer blocked up and the paint out, we're gonna paint the axle as well. There's no paint left on this axle. Might be the forward one is worse than the middle one. It's protected by the tanks. But I'm gonna get the wire brushing now. replacing a rivet that had been knocked out right at the edge of the wheel well here. I'm under here to prime and paint the axle, but there's a couple things I'm noticing. Got the propane line that's not secured in a couple places, and the rivets have actually pulled through on the belly pan in a couple places, and I'm gonna have to repair that so it doesn't get worse. About to reassemble this. Important to note if your washers come off that there's a larger diameter and a smaller, so this is the inner and outer. I bought new nuts just to make sure that I had good nuts going back on. I didn't mess up the ones when they came off. These are a lock type nut. The nuts that we're going to put back on are from Out of Doors Mart, and they're a bit of a lock washer type nut. There's like a triangularness on the outer surface, and that'll keep them from backing off. So hopefully this will go back together as easily as it came apart. Got our washers on. So the shock went into place easily. Washers go back. This one goes on here. My main hope is that I can get this nut tight without scratching the new paint against the frame. Out of Doors Mart recommended some Loctite on these, so that's what I did. And we'll go ahead and tighten them up. And tightening this with a 3/4 inch gear wrench, hoping that I can do it without scratching the paint on the frame. It's not quite dry yet. Glad the wind has picked up for us this afternoon.
Going right in it here.